Imagine using 20 tons of lubrication and grease per year just for the maintenance of conveyor belts on bottling lines. The company Heineken approached us with this problem and asked if we would solve it. Their production lines in Brazil have up to 600 bearing points, all being serviced once a week for up to 3 minutes each. That's over 30 hours a week of unnecessary maintenance work. The solution is our igubal spherical insert bearings for ELCEE housings, a drop-in replacement for industry standard ball bearings that offers a huge cost savings and zero lubrication. There are 3 significant benefits to switching to an igus solution. First, maintenance and lubrication costs are dramatically reduced, saving manpower and cost on grease. Secondly, predictable and standard service life with a low-cost replaceable solution. Thirdly, if all bearing points utilize this solution, it has the potential to save the environment up to 20 tons of grease per year just at that one bottling plant. Imagine the impact of adopting this solution across the world. If you want to learn more about how you can reduce costs while also doing something positive for the environment, click the link below.